Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make pipe clamps. And I found two of these clamps on set for over $100 on Amazon, but you can able to build this from scratch for $31. And if you're buying this one, you can save more money, $24, or this set is four for less than $100. And the pipe you can buy at Home Depot or any plumbing department, a plumbing place. And make sure you buy the pipe that has the threaded ends, so that way you can able to unscrew it and use it for the clamps, because the clamps one side is need a threaded one. This set takes me about 30 seconds to do, so you will save hundreds of dollars if you are making like a set of four or something like that. So um, try it yourself. It's very easy. You don't need any tools at all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching and saving money. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.